Now you know this is Keymctiks TV Reacts, and we are back with more reactions. And today, I'm going through it again. Today we are back with more reactions, and today we're gonna be reacting to Prince. Not again, child. Not again. We got Prince, the organ grinder video. So we got an organ grinder video. I don't know what to do. This is requested by Wanda. Thank you for requesting. This about to be, I don't know if I'm ready for this. I don't know, because I just seen the thumbnail of the video on Prince's channel, and he's like laid over, and the covers, like in the covers and stuff. I don't know if I'm prepared, but I'm gonna get prepared. I'm gonna get prepared. Oh, I am. So let's go ahead and get into this reaction, because y'all got me messed up. Because y'all got me messed up. Put me through it again. Well, you know, I'm going to get through it. I'm going to get through it. Let's go.
I am Violet, the organ grinder, and I grind all the live long day. I live for the organ. I am grind.
Y'all, I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna cap. I'm kind of scared. I don't even know. It's the way he talking. Like, it's the way he sing or whatever. I don't know. Let's go.
I'll die, but I won't go away.
All right. All the women locked up in a cage, including himself. I ain't never seen no mess like this, but I like it. I like it. Like,
ooh, wait a minute, I think you better trip on this. I was on my way to another room with an image of you, sweetly appeared in the mirror. Perhaps you recall, you and I were neatly in the middle of a crystal ball, and it now serves as a reminder on the wall of you and I in the organ grinder, in the biggest concert of them all. The organ grinder, and I grind all day long. I live for the organ grinding. I'll die, but I won't go away. Did you know that I still have your stockings? I keep them in a drawer next to your brassiere. Come hither, my sweet, lend me your attention. Come hither, lend me your ear. I do believe my piano was stolen. I do believe that you want me near. Well, I can deal with a sucker if he's in your mouth, but I can't deal with insincere. I'm the one that lives in your heart. You love me, no matter what you say.
he said, I'm the one that lives in your heart. You are! You know you are. You ain't gotta say that, baby. I already know that. He the one that lives in my heart. I already know that, Prince. I already know.
Swear you don't miss the organ grinding on you every day. The organ grinder, and I grind all day long. Wait a minute, I think you better trip on this. I took off cause you gave me, and I placed them right under my bed. And I pumped, till the gasm just jumped from my feet to the top of my head.
Hold on, was he grinding on the sheets? Baby, I'm catching on to everything. I'm catching on, baby. I'm catching on.
Oh boy, we all get grind. I grind all the day. I live for the organ that I'm grinding. I'll die, but I live my own way. Wait a minute, I think you better trick on this. Like a puppy, I lift your devotion. From your eyes, from your ears. When you cry, I become your emotion. And if you ever cry like that again, I'll be here.
I said, if I ever cry like that again, I'll be here. So do I need to start crying? They give me a cue to start crying, right? I'm gonna start crying for real. Don't say that.
I grind all the live long day. I live for the organ. I am grinding. I'll die, but I won't go away. Not even.
I like the ending though. I like the ending. I like the ending. What's the duet? Give me the prince. Give me the prince. Come on. Like, hello. I know dang well he done had these women locked up in a cage. He got them all locked up. He locked up too. But you know, he is the master, so he can do what he want to do. Did y'all see Prince in these sheets? Laying down and singing. I am the Oregon grinder. Baby, at the beginning though, I got scared. I was like, you know, I can't. You can't be taking my soul away, cause you can't do that. My heartbeat done dropped out of my thing. I ain't even gonna go that far. But I love this video, bruh. Cause it's the purple and the yellow suit. Was it yellow? It had purple and gold or something on that suit that he was wearing. Let me see. Let me go back right here. Shit, wait. Right here. Oh yeah, it was like purple and yellowish. I like that little suit he had on. And then again, he got his chest out. He got his chest on. Out. He got his chest out. Baby, why'd y'all do this? Why do y'all do this? Why? Why do you continue to let me react to Prince and hypnotize me? I just don't understand it. Yes, this video crazy, bro. Like, I ain't never seen a video like this. You know, that's how you know that he's a sex symbol, bro. Like, look at all this. Got women. asses all out and stuff. But he was grinding on that jail cell. It looked like a jail cell, to be honest. The little cage thing. It looked like a jail cell. But he had them pose like this and was grinding with the pose. Like, I said, okay, you know. Okay. Like a certified stripper. Yo, like, subscribe. Turn those post notifications like I always say. I'm going to be back with more reactions. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for letting me react to Prince. And subscribe. And we only going up from here. Up from here. Gang, we out. I gotta recover again, y'all. Y'all know me every time. This video was wild, bro. Gang, we out.